Don't panic. I've got great news for you. Stick around until the end of this video because I'll show you exactly how to diagnose the issue, and better yet, how to fix it yourself. But first, let's understand why the fuel pump relay is so critical to your vehicle's health. When people think about fuel systems, they usually think of the fuel pump itself, but rarely about the humble relay that controls it. The fuel pump relay is a small electromagnetic switch responsible for delivering electrical power to the fuel pump. Once activated, the fuel pump sends gasoline directly to the fuel injectors. When you turn the key or press the start button, the relay kicks in, powering up the pump and keeping the fuel flow steady while your engine runs. Fuel is, without a doubt, the lifeblood of your vehicle. Without it flowing correctly, your engine simply can't perform. What happens? When this little relay starts to fail, your car begins to suffer from a variety of frustrating and potentially dangerous symptoms. So let's go step by step, starting with the more manageable signs and working our way up to the serious ones. Symptom 1. Difficulty starting the engine. When the fuel pump relay fails in an open position, it prevents fuel from flowing into the engine. As a result, your engine will crank, meaning it turns over. But it won't start because there's no fuel reaching the combustion chamber, unlike a dead battery where you might hear just a click. In this case, the engine tries to start but fails repeatedly. Sometimes it might start after several attempts, but even if it does, you'll likely experience more severe symptoms later on. Early detection is crucial here. Symptom 2. Poor fuel efficiency. A failing relay can cause your fuel pump to behave unpredictably, leading to erratic fuel delivery. This means the pump might supply too much or too little fuel to the engine. Experts warn that inconsistent fuel flow increases fuel consumption because your engine compensates for the lack of proper supply. If you notice your trips to the gas station becoming more frequent, don't ignore it. Addressing this issue early can prevent much bigger and more expensive problems. Symptom 3. Check engine light. Error code P0230. Ah yes, the trusty check engine light, that persistent dashboard companion. Grab your OBD2 scanner and check for fault codes. If you spot P0230, it points to low voltage in the fuel pump relay's main power circuit. Now it's worth noting that this code could indicate a fault in the fuel pump itself, not necessarily the relay. But don't worry, stay tuned until the end, and I'll show you a step-by-step method to confirm if the relay is to blame. Symptom 4. Fuel pump. Runs continuously. While a failing relay often gets stuck open and stops fuel flow, it can sometimes fail in the closed position. When this happens, the fuel pump keeps running non-stop, even when the engine is off. If you notice a humming or buzzing sound coming from the rear of the car near the fuel tank after you've turned off the ignition, that's your fuel pump refusing to shut down. Left unchecked, this will drain your battery and eventually prevent the car from starting altogether. Symptom 5. Silent fuel pump. Normally, you should be able to hear a faint buzzing sound from the fuel pump when you turn the ignition key to the on position. However, if the relay isn't supplying enough power, the pump may go quiet, even though the engine is running. This can be tricky to notice unless you pay close attention. Bending close to the fuel tank while someone else turns the key can help you detect this issue early. Don't worry, I'll give you a simple trick later in the video to help diagnose this easily and avoid damaging your pump. Symptom 6. Failed emissions test. When your fuel pump relay malfunctions and delivers an excessive amount of fuel, your engine runs rich, meaning there's too much fuel relative to the air entering the combustion chamber. Excess fuel leads to higher emissions, especially hydrocarbons, which will cause your car to fail its emissions test. One telltale sign is the distinct smell of unburned fuel, or even a rotten egg odor from your exhaust. While this is an expensive problem if left unattended, you now know what to look for and can catch it early. Symptom 7. Rough idling. Idle conditions demand precise fuel delivery. When the fuel pump relay is unstable and struggles to maintain consistent closure, the fuel supply fluctuates. This inconsistency disturbs the air-fuel mixture and causes the engine to idle roughly. You may feel vibrations throughout the car, particularly when stopped at traffic lights. Since rough idling can stem from many issues, narrowing it down is essential. Fortunately, I'll show you how to pinpoint the relay as the culprit. Symptom 8. Lack of power during acceleration. Your car might handle rough idling, but once you try to accelerate, it feels like it's gasping for air. Inadequate fuel supply from the relay prevents the combustion process from generating enough power, especially under load. While the vehicle may still run, continuing to drive this way risks more severe damage. Automotive pros always advise addressing fuel delivery problems immediately to prevent costly cascading failures. Symptom 9. Engine misfires. Fuel starvation from a faulty relay means some cylinders don't receive enough fuel to produce power. The result? Misfires. While an occasional misfire might seem like a minor inconvenience, it's dangerous. Imagine your engine misfiring when you're trying to merge onto a highway or overtake another vehicle. It turns your car into a hazard. If you suspect this, stop driving and diagnose immediately. I'll show you how to check your relay at the end of this video. Symptom 10. Engine surging. Similar to misfires, inconsistent fuel delivery causes unpredictable engine behavior. If you experience your vehicle accelerating on its own or feeling like it's surging forward unexpectedly, it's a major red flag. Experts warn that engine surges compromise your control over the vehicle, especially at high speeds. Pull over safely and use the method I'll show you to check your relay. Symptom 11. Engine stalling. Finally, one of the most dangerous signs, engine stalling. If your engine is starved of fuel or flooded with too much, it can shut down entirely. Stalling while idling is inconvenient, but stalling at highway speeds is life-threatening. Various issues can cause stalling, but a failing fuel pump relay is one of the most common culprits. If you're lucky enough to avoid an accident, do not continue driving. Get your vehicle checked immediately. Now, let's talk about how to confirm if your fuel pump relay is the problem. Before spending hundreds or even thousands of dollars replacing your fuel pump, perform these simple checks. First, locate the fuel pump relay, usually found in the black fuse box in your engine bay. Remove it carefully and perform a visual inspection. Look for signs of corrosion, cracks, melting, or burnt terminals. If you see any of these, replace the relay immediately. Good news. A new relay typically costs only about $20, making it one of the most affordable fixes you'll encounter. If the relay looks clean, let's go a step further using a digital multimeter. Set your multimeter to continuity mode. Connect one probe to a power circuit pin and the other to the second power circuit terminal. If you hear a beep, it means the internal contacts are shorted and the relay needs to be replaced. By following this simple test, you can confidently determine whether the relay is faulty, saving you from unnecessary part replacements and high repair bills. Final thoughts. If your car is displaying any of these 11 symptoms, don't delay your inspection. A failing fuel pump relay is more than just an inconvenience. It can lead to serious engine damage and even dangerous driving conditions. Fortunately, with proper maintenance and simple diagnostic tools, you can catch this issue early and keep your vehicle running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow drivers. And before you go, make sure to check out our next video, where we dive deep into the symptoms of a bad or clogged fuel injector. You'll learn how a faulty injector can reduce fuel efficiency, degrade performance, and cause misfires just like the relay, but in a different way. Don't miss it.